The EZ-RJ45 Cat6 connector makes it easy to create your own Ethernet cables. The feed-through design allows each conductor to push through the front of the housing. This gives you visual confirmation that the connector is wired correctly, saving frustration and wasted material costs. By using the EZ-RJ45 crimp tool, you can crimp and cut the cable in one motion. The EZ-RJ45 connectors can be used for network, telecommunications, and serial applications. They work with 22 to 24 American wire gauge solid or stranded Cat6 cable. Whether you are a pro or wiring your first connector, choose EZ-RJ45s from Show Me Cables to get it done easy.